This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable dark mode on Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This will also work on Acrobat Reader. Let me jump over to Adobe Acrobat Pro. Okay, I have Adobe Acrobat opened up now, and as you can see, this is pretty bright on the eyes. To change this to a dark theme, it's very simple to do, but it's a two-step process. First, you need to change the interface to a dark theme, and then you need to change your page background. To change the interface to a dark theme, you just need to go up to the View tab, click on it, then you'll go down to where it says Display Theme, and then go over and select Dark Gray. It only gives you two choices here, light gray, dark gray. I'm going to select dark gray. So now my interface has been changed to a dark gray. The second step is to change the page background. To do that, you need to go up to Edit, click on it, then you'll go all the way down to the bottom to where it says Preferences, and click on that. Now in this dialog box that opens up here, you want to select Replace Document Colors. You want to check this box right here. And then you want to go down and you want to click on Use High Contrast Colors. And then in this drop down box over here, and you can choose white text on black. Then go down and click on OK. And there is a dark mode for Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, and this also works on Acrobat Reader. Thanks for watching.